Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to delete your Telegram channel on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Telegram on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to the channel you want to delete. Step 3. Click on the three dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. From the options that appear, click on Manage Channel. Step 5. In the Manage Channel settings, select Delete Channel to proceed with the deletion. Step 6. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click on Delete to confirm the deletion. And there you have it. Your Telegram channel has been successfully deleted. Please note that this action is irreversible, so make sure you want to delete the channel before proceeding. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.